What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I've had a couple of comments lately where I talk about XRP and how much I've gained and all of these things there, and even in some live streams, and they state, or ask me the same question: would you buy XRP right now? And my answer was that, yeah, I mean, I'm holding it right now, so obviously I believe in it at a higher price. But that's only if you are looking at it at the long term. If you're looking at it at the short term, you may see some fluctuation. So then prompts a response from them that if I truly believed in XRP, I would have bought more. But I have 100,000, right? That's amazing to have 100,000 XRP, have 90,000 in my portfolio, 10,000 that's sitting over there. Now I always wanted to get back to 100,000 so that I can leave that one alone and never have to really worry about that or talk about it as much. But I went out on a limb here. I wanted to show you guys, right, that I truly believe in XRP and the future of this price. And just because I'm holding XRP at a average price of 50 cents, right, or average price of 52 cents, doesn't mean that I don't believe in it a lot higher, right? Now, this is not just to prove a point. It's also because I want to see those level of gains and I want to be able to gather a lot at maybe the level of $5 and then treat the rest that's at a at a higher level and feel confident in what I'm holding there. So I now have 200,000 XRP, and that's quite a leap, right? From 100,000 to 200,000, especially during this time. Like, why not do that then? Well, I didn't have the money then, and now I do have the money to do so. So I feel like I wanted to be a part or more a part of XRP. Now, again, this is my strategy, right? I don't want you guys to just follow me because you want to follow everything that I do and buy a certain percentage of what I have. I wanted to hold over 100,000, and 200,000 really gets me to that level. The way that I think about it is when I hold $1 million of something and I'm like, oh, I can get $1 million. Most likely you won't get $1 million from that. However, because you look at the level when it gets to $1 million and you're like, okay, I technically can take this $1 million, but if I do, I'm only getting half of it basically because capital gains tax. And if it's long term, you might get 70, 80% of it. But if I bought 2 million, right, I can gather whatever I wanted to gather as a initial investment and gain my initial investment back plus profit, but then also gain $1 million in the end because now I have that $1 million that's sitting on the side, right? 1 million to use for short term, 1 million to use for long term. Well, I want to treat that the same way for XRP. 100,000 to use for short term, 100,000 to use for long term, and see that follow through as we move along. So I now have 200,000 XRP. What's my plan with that? I want to show you guys how much that's worth right now. I'm not really going to go through exactly what my plan is. Maybe I'll do an exit plan video at a later date because I haven't created one yet. But most likely it's hovering around the same thing. It's just going to be an aggressive pull from the beginning at a level of like $5 to $10. And the rest will be the previous amount that I had. So anyways, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, don't forget about my link for BTCC, which is a great platform that I've been utilizing for a while now. And you're able to leverage trade up to 500x leverage. I would only say that you do a 2 to 10x leverage. Don't try and go all out and do a 500x leverage because you may lose everything that you put in there. Now, there's always a chance you could make a heck of a lot, but then if you make a heck of a lot at the first investment, most likely you're going to try at the second investment and probably lose everything after that. So make sure you're careful, make sure you understand the mental side of it, but BTCC is a great platform that I've been using for a little bit. So feel free to check out my link down below, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Now, XRP currently stands at a $1.45 price. We talked about this in the previous video. It's at a $6 or $7 billion in volume day. Also a 82 or almost $83 billion market cap. with the volume to market cap ratio at 8%, and then all supply, we're looking at 100 billion, circulating supplies 56. We've seen some decent movement over the past 7 days, 29% over the past month, 176%. Great to see that. Now, with this overall success and what we've seen there and success across the board, I've been able to, capture some more investments, some more things that are going my way. So I also wanted to throw a little bit more into XRP. That prompted the further investment into it. Now, again, I currently have 200,000. Why did I decide to buy 200,000? Again, it's all because of what I'm trying to do with the short term as well as long term. So let's go to my position, which is over in Coinbase. Currently, I have 201,000 XRP in my possession, which is worth about $300,000. Now, the only thing that I don't like about having this much is that it's 70% of my portfolio. 70% of my portfolio. I don't like having all of my portfolio in one investment, or most of it in one investment. I always like to split it into different things. So when I go to my assets, you're going to see, Jasmine Coin at like 25,000, and you saw a decent amount that was in different things, right? When XRP was at 50,000, I had $50,000, or when it was at 50 cents, I had $50,000. Jasmine Coin was at 25 to 30,000, right? You had CRO that was about 30 to 40,000, maybe even 50,000, and it all looked like in line. Like it wasn't like a huge percentage of my portfolio, like the ridiculous percentage. It was a big percentage, but not as big as it is today, right? 71 basically percent of my Coinbase portfolio is crazy. Now I am seeing an unrealized return of 48,000, which can change very, very quickly as this does decrease. It can change very, very quickly. Every dollar this goes up, I gain $200,000, which would be amazing. But the whole reason why I would do it, and again, I want to show you guys short term what I'm going to do, as well as looking at the long term of this. The whole reason why I bought 200,000 or another 110,000 is because I wanted to play the game a little bit better. Now, at this point with 200,000, I would have 1 million at $5. Now, what I would then do at that level, depending on where that is and when that is, hopefully that's next year, and we have a long-term capital gains tax. But since I just bought it now, it may not be as long-term as you think. But having this 1 million, I could then take 100,000 if I wanted to, and have $500,000, or I can take half of it, 50,000, and then when it gets to a level of 10 cents or $10, then I could take another 50,000. So it could be more short term for this bull run and the beginning of this bull run, and take a total of $750,000 while still leaving in 100,000 coins. Now, again, I haven't broken down my entire plan of what I plan to do, but I do expect to see massive gains short term as well as massive gains long term. So that's just a baseline. I just wanted to tell you guys that I have 200,000 now, just to be very, very clear with you guys. So I don't mean to rub it in or say, oh, I have more than you or anything like that. I just want to tell you guys what's going on with me, what I decided to buy, and my strategy behind that. So my average price, again, is $1.22. And hopefully we see a lot more from here. If we don't, then oh well. I will continue to invest more into there. If it gets down to 50 cents again, I will find a way to buy more and get 300,000, so that I can see so much more success in the end. Yes, this is taking a boatload of money to then invest into XRP at these levels. It's kind of crazy. But this is part of my strategy and what I want to do short term as well as long term. I believe in XRP a lot further. I believe in XRP a lot more than people think. And this is obviously showing that. So guys, let me know what you think about this. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.